Hello, my name is Mary and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Locerin before you decide to buy it. Pay attention because I have two very important warnings. The first thing you need to know about Locerin is to be careful with the website from which you intend to purchase it, as Locerin is only sold on the official site. To make it easier, I've left the link to the official site right below in the video description, okay? So, first of all, what is the Locerin supplement and does it really work? Locerin is a dietary supplement designed for women who want to simulate natural hair growth and health, leaving the looking fuller and shinier, preventing hair loss, strengthening the structure and color of the hair from the inside out. The supplement is available in capsule form for ingestion, okay guys? So it's very easy to ingestion, okay? And the answer is yes, Locerin works. After numerous laboratory analysis, research identify a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will activate health and strong hair with shiny, thicker strand, and above all, prevent hair loss. It also helps regain your self-confidence and allows you to create beautiful and viable hairstyles. And it doesn't stop there. Hair noticeably grows faster and becomes more resistant to external factors such as heat from strengthness and hair dryness. If you want more information such as ingredients and statistics about Locerin, access the official supplier's website link I left in the video description, okay? A common question is whether consuming the supplement is reliable, and the answer is very easy, yes, you can trust this product. Many people have achieved excellent results with Locerin, and against facts there are no arguments, right? Okay, you can activate them too. However, remember that each body reacts uniquely. It's obvious, but I mentioned it so can be realistic about the treatment and expectations, okay? There is something really important about Locerin that you need to know before buying. You can test the products for 19 days after the purchase, and if you don't see results or sample don't like for any reason, they will refund your money, okay? Yes, that's right, a 19-day guarantee from the supplier. Furthermore, for the Locerin supplement to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, okay guys? Consuming it every day, okay? It's recommended to take 2 capsules a day, preferably 30 minutes before meals. You should drink the product with about 300 milliliters of water, otherwise you won't see significant results and may feel very frustrated. You can observe initial results in the first month, but most people experience better results after 3 months using this product, okay? It's important to highlight that Locerin has no side effects and its composition is entirely natural, okay? So, I wanted to record this video to alert you about the importance of choosing the correct website to buy Locerin. Also, if you decide to purchase the product, follow the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember that your results will be very different from those of anyone else due to uniqueness of your body, okay? I sincerely hope this video has been helpful and Locerin simply helps improve your life. Enjoy all the benefits that this product offers. Thank you for watching entire this video, okay? Until next time, bye bye. See you later, guys.